Hey, it's Frank from 4D Honeybee, and just a quick late afternoon visit because it is a gorgeous day out here. It's 20 degrees Celsius, about 68 Fahrenheit, and we're not quite ready to call it spring as far as the bees are concerned. You can see they're still all wrapped up. We still got a couple of cold days in the next week or so. So by next week, I should be removing these wraps, and the plan is going to be to remove the wraps, to treat for mites at the same time, remove the mouse guards at the bottom. You see they're not using the bottom entrance, they're just using the top entrance because the mouse guard is there, so it's a bit more of a pain in the butt for them to get through. But you can see this hive's in great shape. My weak hive here is definitely alive as well. Regular bee activity. And my second strong hive is doing really well too. So looks like the three have officially made it through winter, and now it's a question of treating for mites and making sure that that the mites don't get a foothold on all the new larvae being made and all the new bees being hatched out. Treating them and then starting the expansion, starting to get some new boxes on there and giving them more room, and maybe doing a split or two to get some more